sir.
Yeah. You're able to see my screen, Deepa? Deepa, you're able to see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. See, what we done here in this HTML, we added all those 5 fields, okay? 5 fields. You can see here course name and what the input type text, name is equal to CNAME. This is the same name what we given in the view to get that. Getting Deepa? If this spelling is wrong, then you will not get that value. Okay. And then Deepa, in step 2, we are doing the save operation. This implicitly add a new row in the database. And step 3, return HTTP response. Return response. Okay, okay, Deepa. Now,
Yes, sir.
let's go and see. In that request page, we will give the request of the part but we will implement that default. How we can take that plans. Which one? No. I want to print which course is added. This is a functionality. Oh. Okay. Now let's say refresh. Got it? This formatting and all we can do it, Deepa, using div or other views. Right now we are not thinking about that. Okay. Okay, Deepa. Now I'm trying to add Python and course code is 1001. Course duration is 18 weeks. Python advanced. Batch size is 60 and course description Python advanced covers Django. Okay. Now I'll say submit. Python advanced is a new course added. Now we'll go to the database. We go to the MySQL database and say use class test, show tables, select star from course course. You can see here, Deepa, Python advanced, batch size 60, course code is 1001, course duration is 18, Python advanced covers Django. Deepa, you are able to see that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see here this ID, we didn't pass any ID. You see here, course, new course. We only passed the name, description, code, duration, batch size, and we called save. Save is the function which creates a row in the database with an ID created with a default unique ID number. Now, if you want, you see that description of this table, ID, it is a big int, it is a primary key with auto increment. That means what it will do, it will take the earlier number and it will go and add it. Okay. Now we will go and add one more stuff now. localhost course new course. Now I'll say data analytics course code is 2020. Course duration is 8 weeks. Batch size is 10. And data analytics covers the basic data analytics topics. Now I say submit data analytics added. Now I'll go to the database and I say select start from. You can see data analytics and ID came as a 4. You're able to see this, Deepa?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In case we created that, if it means third or fourth even number we will continue after that as next even numbers.
Yeah. Let's study.
In case we change the default, what we can so in case the third
That those things and all we can change. We can see that. All those things can be changed. Okay. Now what we did the CRUD operation, correct? Now what I need to do is now the new scenario is I need to have a page. I need to have a page where I will enter ID. Okay. And then I need to display the course details. I'll say ID, enter ID, and then it should display all the courses. Okay. Before that, I will display all the course details. Okay. How will we do that? How is that is possible? How is that is possible? Now, I am writing here. Deepa, you are following, right? Get courses. Get courses, which will take a request and then return HTTP response course the details requested course details requested. Now how to add to this URL? Go to URLs. I'll say path here views dot get courses. Okay, get courses. Okay, now I'll go here and the step 1 get courses. Course details requested. You got it correct? Okay. Now how to get all the course details here? How to get all the course details here? Huh? Course dot. What are all the parameters are there? Hmm? What are all the parameters are there? This is how you can pass for a filter, okay? Now, when you say student dot to the model, to the views dot, objects dot, what method is there? All, okay? All. This is a list courses equal to courses dot get. Now I am writing a new template, display courses dot html. The display courses dot html. Now I'll go to this and say render. You need to pass request, correct? And then you need to pass template name. What is that? Display courses dot html. Okay. Now we call it here. Say h1 list of lab intake courses. To save and let's see how this is going. I'll say what happened. Huh? No exist. What is the problem? Courses dot slash get courses internal server error, the line error response dot get. What is the problem here? View render return render request display courses dot html. This is not correct. Hmm? Is it not saved or something? List of lab intake courses. Okay. Now, how to display these courses here? How to display these courses here? How to pass the parameters? How to pass the parameters to the page? We already saw, right? How to pass the parameters? You need to create a dictionary, correct? Dictionary. First one is you need to create a courses map to courses, correct? Okay. Now, how to access here? How to access here? Percentage if courses, right? Okay. Now we also need to do and if. Next, what we need to do? Percentage for course, correct? Course in courses, correct? Is it correct? Now, again, we need to use N for, correct? N for, okay? Now, here, we need to use H2, H2 course dot course name. Is it correct? If you go to the model, course name, correct? Course dot course name, and then use a space, details are, correct? And then we can also use here, list item, correct? Sorry. Ordered list, correct? Ordered list. And here we will use list item, correct? Okay. Now let's go and refresh. You got the Java details are, Python advanced details are, and data analytics details are. Okay. Or you don't want details are, if you can take out this, then you can say Java, Python advanced. Why this is coming like this is because we used H2. If you remove H2, Java, Python. Okay. Now we can also create this as a table. We can also create this as a table. How will we create? Hmm? Hmm. Table. And this one will become closure of this. Then we will not use order table and all. Okay. Order table and all. Yeah. ER, correct? Table row, right? TD, correct? Table data, ID. Next, course name. Next, description. Next, duration in weeks. Next, course code. Okay. And then duration 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, batch size. Batch size. Correct? Now, we'll take this. I'll keep it here. here, correct? Now, how to get that? Now, I'll say Control X, I'll take out this. Course.id, course.name, course code, and then course. Description, course, duration, course, course batch size. Okay, now let us see how it is coming. Say refresh. Got it? See ID, course name, a description. Okay. Now, even you say border, if you can give border. Border is 10x. Okay. ID, I think ID is a problem. This is not capital ID. This is a small ID. You can see one, two. Huh? Description is there. It is not, I think it's a spelling mistake. Course description. COURSE. Here R is missing. This, even you can change this to table header. See, these are all now how you guys develop. How you guys develop your HTML and the other skill. You can see this becoming what happened. This is supposed to be TH. If you use header, then automatically that will become bold. And see, even you can give a different color also. You can see. Okay. This border looks very big. Change it to 5x. Okay. Deepa, you are able to follow, Deepa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what I request is, can you guys develop what we done till now? Okay, because you are going to have this recording also, correct? Okay, 1 minute, I'll stop recording.